Today we are going to discuss about mental hormones, hormones that makes us happy, hormones that makes us addicted and much more. After watching this video, you will understand how our mind functions related to a certain hormone. Apart from that, we will also discuss about the age between 18 to 24 and what are the changes you will experience in this phase. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Our brain secrete many chemicals, and all these chemicals will perform different function in our body. Some makes us feel happy, some makes us feel satisfied, some makes us feel sad, and we will discuss some of the most important chemicals. Number 1, dopamine, the reward chemical. We get this type of hormone in our mind when we complete a task, we eat healthy food, we get enough sleep, we celebrate little wins and practice self-care. Overall, it is a reward chemical. Anything that helps your mind getting something good, this form will release. Number 2, serotonin. It's also known as the mood stabilizer. You can get this hormone from meditation, running, sun exposure, walking in nature, or swimming. Mostly anything that can make your mind calm down and let your mood be stabilized. And you can try meditation if you want to experience serotonin release in your mind. Number 3, endorphin. Endorphin is known as the painkiller. We will get this type of hormone in our mind from laugh, using essential oils, watching a comedy, eating dark chocolate, exercising, which means it helps us feel a good things. Well, it is a kind of different from dopamine. Number 4, oxytocin. Oxytocin is also known as the love hormone, which you will get when you feel care from some other person or for some other organism. Like you are playing with a pet, you are holding hands with anyone, you are hugging anyone, someone gives you a compliment, someone gives you a gift. It's you can also call it a care hormone. Oxytocin, the love or the care hormone. Well, that's how it is. We will move on to the next part, that is age 18 to 24. What are the temporary things that you will experience during this age? That's what we are going to discuss next in this video. Starting by number 1. Age 18 to 24 is an age where you meet a lot of temporary people. You will go into a lot of transition from your school to your college, from your college to your corporate life or your career. In this you will meet a tons of people, and very few of them will remain with you for the lifetime. Otherwise, most of them will just forget you or you forget them as time roll on. Number 2, during this period of your life, you tend to look for validation and acceptance from the outside world. You also experience a spotlight effect, where you think that everyone in this whole world is thinking about you, judging you, and something like that. But actually, it does not happen. So that's it is. Now, moving on to the third point, which is it is a part of your exploration to find your true identity and your true self. So many people say that 20 to 30 is a decade or 18 to 24 is a decade where you find yourself. You become aware of what your likes are, your dislikes are, because now you are mature enough to understand what are the things that are good for you or bad for you. Next, as we grow, we realize the type of person we want to become. We tend to unconsciously leave those no longer foster our growth. In this age, you will find out that what are the things that are hindering your growth, because as a kid you may not be aware of these so-called bad things, maybe other people tell you, but now you can completely understand them and take actions, and that is okay, of course. So this is it. Now we'll move on to the third part of the video, and you will definitely like it, and that is how to get started. Whenever you are starting anything like a business, learning a skill, doing a new habit, anything, we will give you some special tips that will help you get started with it and sustain that thing in the long term. Now let's get started. Number 1, focus on what you can do today, not what you didn't do yesterday. I heard a quote that goes something like that: the best time to plant a tree was 25 years ago, and the next best time is now. So whatever you want to do, start today. Perfectionism is a trap, especially when you are in the beginning of anything that you are trying to do. Now, moving on to the second point, we have break down large tasks into more manageable tasks. Your dream is nothing but a dream until you break it down and convert it into small goals and large goals as well, and then try to execute on them. Whether you achieve them or not, it's a completely different story. But once you break them into goals, you have a clear direction of where you are going. Credit yourself for what you accomplished today, however small it may be. Now, it may happen that some days on your life may not go very well, but even in those worst days of your life, there must be one thing that goes really well. Just credit yourself for this. This will definitely help you living a better life and see the positive side of things. And the last one, take a short break every hour if you can. Well, a break is very important from burning out. We know hustle culture and all of that is super important if you are trying to build your career on any phase of your life. But breaking break is also very important. So make sure to don't underestimate it. And aim for good enough, but not perfection. As I told you, perfection is a trap when you are starting. So make sure to constantly improve on what you are doing, but do not fall to the trap of perfection that we will start doing something until we become perfect in. That's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Today you have learned about how to get started, what are the chemicals that your mind secrete, and why age 18 to 24 is age of temporariness. And if you want more such amazing facts, if you want more such knowledge, make sure to like this video and type in the comments that which problem are you more suffering from that we can make a video on. Thank you very much.